This is Realme 12 Plus, and today I'll show how you can insert a SIM card into this phone. So at the start, you will need to take off all phone and protective cases that your Realme 12 Plus may possibly be engulfed in. So make sure that the device or the phone frame is unobstructed. Then look at the bottom part of the device frame where you have the charging port, and left to your charging port you will find this little SIM card tray. So take an ejection tool that you can find in the smartphone box, or if you do not have the injection tool, that's fine, just use the needle or for example the unfolded paperclip will do job as well. Then put it inside this hole to your left and then push it in. Now once the SIM card tray pops out, well, use your fingers to take it out. Now take your SIM card and place it in alignment with the respective slot you've chosen, since as you can see this SIM card tray have 2 SIM card slots. So align the curve on the slot or on the SIM card tray with the curve you have on your SIM card. So align them, put it in, and then return the SIM card correct back inside the smartphone. Now simply wait up to a minute for your phone to initialize the SIM card, and that'll be it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.